Hello and welcome to TheGhostOfSabotage here once again. Oh yes, and you probably can hear the traffic outside. It's been a rather warm past few days, so yeah. Anyway, I'm going to be making Betty Crocker's country diet cake mix stuff. So yeah, going to need some vegetable oil. I'm going to need 200 milliliters of water, 3 medium eggs. This is 2 8-inch well-greased cake tins, but this is all I have. Not sure if it's 8 inches or not. I should check that out. Yep, 8 inches. And of course, we need this stuff. So let's get the 200 milliliters of water. Okay, that's 200 things of water. Maybe a little less, but not by much. Need 105 milliliters of the vegetable oil. Right, that's about it. Lovely. That's what I put the cake mix in. And of course the eggs. And you mix for 2 to 3 minutes. And that's time. Okay, I mixed it for about 3 minutes. Okay. I did make a tiny bit of a mess, but hey. I'm going to need to put the oven at 108 Celsius or 106 Celsius for fan assist ovens and gas mark 4. So yeah, let's do that. Well, it does say grease cake tins, so and all I have the grease is dairy-free butter stuff. Better than bugger all, I suppose. And these buttons come out. Makes it easy to do stuff. Yes. This butter has a sustainable palm oil in the forms of vegetable oil. So not really ideal, but what can you do? Let's scoop some of this and do some greasing. Well, they're greased and they're buttered, whatever. The best I can do. Okay, we have to pour all this stuff into each thing. And there is the oven. I can put these in, but I'm going to do one at a time. Okay, this one's slightly burnt, but live and learn. Yep, that one's done. Alright, I'm going to let that one cool off. The tin's cooled off enough for this one. So I'm going to put it on there. Okie dokie. It's still a bit warm on the tray on the other side. Let's see if I can. There we go. Easy. Do that. Okay, they're pretty much cooled off and such. They're not as black as they may seem on camera. Anyway, well, that's not here, nor there. Let's put some of this icing stuff on. Okay, that's the thing sandwiched. And might as well put the icing on top. Which, mind you, is not too bad. And there you go. Done and dusted. There is a little bit left in the tub. I'm going to let this thing do its thing for a bit. Okay, just cut it. Wasn't too bad. So let's have a quick munch. Groovy. Actually is pretty decent actually. Most definitely. Definitely put this in the fridge so it doesn't go ungroovy and all that. So yeah. And maybe the icing will harden up a bit. Well yeah. Not bad for Betty Crocker. Yes, it's a bit dirty, but yeah. Simply add eggs, water, oil and icing. So yeah. I mean, it's not exactly the same as the packaging, but never is. Well, it's better than nothing. Lovely jubbly. So until next time, ladies, gentlemen, and whoever else, tally ho.